Hello, welcome to the Brookhurst Plaza Inn Hotel. The Brookhurst Plaza Inn is a hotel that was built in 1984. It's located at 711 South Brookhurst Street. I'm your hotel manager. My name is Mike. Our hotel is undergoing renovations right now and should be open August 2020. The Brookhurst Plaza Inn was built in 1984. This building behind me was actually built in 1929. That makes it 91 years old. Wow. They sure know how to make them back then. Yeah, this tower's been through a lot during its 91 years. It's been through stuff like earthquakes. Good news, everybody. Disneyland has announced that it's opening July 17th, just in time for the 65th anniversary celebration, pending state and government approvals. Disneyland was previously known as the happiest place on Earth, and it was, before the COVID-19 virus pandemic ravaged our planet. The Disney Corporation, meanwhile, used to be the worldwide leader in everything. Now COVID-19 is the worldwide leader in everything. You could say COVID-19 is the new Disney. Remember, as I said last week, if you do go to the park on July 17th, you will not be getting the full Disney experience. In addition to some rides and attractions having limited capacity, Disney states that park admission and offerings are not guaranteed. At Disneyland Shanghai, park operators require all attendees to wear masks, check the body temperature of everyone entering the park, limit all rides to one group per car, and provide decals on sidewalks within ride queues to indicate where park patrons must stand. Look for the Anaheim area parks to institute similar measures. Finally, events that attract large group gatherings, including parades and evening spectacles such as Fantasmic, will return at a later date, and character meet and greets will remain temporarily unavailable. Oh, and by the way, Disney stopped selling tickets on June 10th. Thousands of people are signing a petition to prevent Disneyland from reopening on July 17. The petition had garnered more than 35,000 signatures as of Monday, nearing its goal of 50,000. The online petitioner argues that reopening the park too soon will endanger its employees and guests, saying, "Many people have lost loved ones due to this pandemic, and by reopening the parks, they are endangering cast members and guests to be exposed to COVID-19. Seemingly bolstering the petitioner's case, 20 states around the nation reported sharp increases in their number of COVID-19 infected. These are the same states that had previously eased restrictions. I guess easing restrictions doesn't make the coronavirus any easier to deal with. Well, that's the show for this week, everybody. If anybody's still here, hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, or complaints, leave those down below. Check out our Facebook page at Brookhurst Plaza Inn. We also have a webpage at brookhurstplazainn.com. Join us next week for some more hot, insider Disneyland Reopen information. Same Brookhurst Plaza Inn time, same Brookhurst Plaza Inn channel. Hope to see you next week.